Alaikum. Can you hear me? Anyone please respond? Sabah. Almas Anwar.
Yes, sir.
बेटा आवाज आ रही है? हेलो.
जी
एंड स्क्रीन भी नजर आ रही है बेटे? स्लाइड्स नजर आ रही हैं?
जी सर आ रही है।
क्या लिखा हुआ है?
जी सर आ रही है। जीन डुप्लीकेशन एंड को-ऑप्शन।
ओके, वेरी गुड. तमाम स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने अपने नाम के साथ रोल नंबर्स नहीं लिखे हुए या कंप्लीट नेम नहीं लिखा, मैं उनको क्लास से रिमूव कर दूंगा एज पर इंस्ट्रक्शंस. ये आयशा कौन है जिन्होंने सिर्फ आयशा लिखा हुआ है? तो तमाम स्टूडेंट्स कंप्लीट नेम और अपना रोल नंबर ज़रूर मेंशन करें. कंप्लीट नेम जो कि आपका ऑफिशियल नेम है, जैसे कि सबा अंसर, तक्षल जान and Amna Musin. So please write your complete name with your roll number. Thank you so much. And we will wait for 1 more minute for the other members and then we will start our lecture inshallah ta'ala. Anyone has any question, please discuss. I hope you guys are enjoying the session of genomics, evolution, and phylogenetic analysis. So it's a really interesting topic if you guys have interest in it, about how the things evolve and everything. We will wait for 1 more minute and then we will start inshallah. Okay. Jonathan Javed या नगीन फातिमा, सीआर और जीआर में से कोई है? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, Jonathan Javed and Nagin Fatma, please mark the attendance as per rules we defined, and then we will inshallah. And now we are going to start our lecture. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Countless salutation on Nabi Pak sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. दुआ करते हैं कि अल्लाह पाक हमें महफूज रखे, इस वबा से हमारे मुल्क पर अपनी रहमत का साया रखे. So now we are going to start. Today our topic is gene duplication and co-option. As you guys remember, last time we were studied about segmental duplication, and it was really interesting topic for me. For me, it was really interesting topic, and I hope you guys also enjoyed that well. What was segmental duplication? Segmental duplication was the duplication of specific segment from one chromosome to another chromosome or in the same chromosome. That is known as intrachromosomal or interchromosomal segmental duplication. And then we will have a look to the graph of all the chromosome, and we will have a look to, we already have a look to the inter and intrachromosomal segmental duplications in the chromosomes, and we found that chromosome Y has 27% almost duplication, and chromosome number 18, as I remember, has the least one, that was 0.7. So that was the summary of our previous lecture, and now we are just moving to gene duplication and co-option. I hope the terminology is itself explaining bit about them, and now we are going to explain, we will inshallah study it in detail. Rate of gene duplication in eukaryotes. Okay, the first question is, what is prokaryotes and what is eukaryotes? Difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Anyone wants to share, please? Anyone? What is the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes? We have 13 members, and I hope every one of you know about that. Basit Ali. Basit Ali. Okay. Komal Arshad. Komal Arshad 80057. Okay. As per rule, I am going to remove both of you. This is not the way just to online and did not respond to the queries. And I know very well you guys have very beautiful excuses that some of students told me that they even don't know how to unmute the mic. So, जी बेटा, Almas Anwar and Almas Anwar, जी बेटा.
सर नहीं होता है और यूकैरियोट्स में होता है.
Okay,
हाँ मुझे याद था.
okay, thank you. Aisha Tabassum.
सर ये प्रोकैरियोट्स में जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया राइबोसोम्स और गोल्गी एपरेटस वगैरह और ये न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता, जबकि और जो यूकैरियोट्स में इसमें प्रोकैरियोट्स में जो होता है जेनेटिक मटेरियल या डीएनए जो होता है ये वाला होता है, जबकि यूकैरियोट्स में जो होता है ये लीनियर और डबल स्ट्रैंडेड होता है.
Oh, thank you. Nagin Fatima.
Sir, eukaryotic but prokaryotic don't have permanent nucleus.
Oh, thank you so much. Takshal.
सर उसके अंदर सिंगल सेल क्रोमोसोम होता है और प्रोकैरियोट्स
Single cell.
मल्टी मल्टी ये क्रोमोसोम.
Okay, thank you. Jonathan Javed.
सर यूकैरियोट्स में मेम्ब्रेन बॉन्डेड ऑर्गेनेल्स होती हैं
जी जी.
और ये सेल भी हो सकता है, और जो प्रोकैरियोट्स होता है ये इसके अंदर सर मेम्ब्रेन बॉन्डेड ऑर्गेनेल्स नहीं होती.
Okay, thank you. So, in short, everyone please lower down the hand after replying and mute your mics. Thank you so much. In short, in very simple words, eukaryotes as defined organelles and chromosomes and genetic material. However, prokaryotes have not defined organelles. So we will study about Aksa Gyas 80039. Aksa Gyas.
Yes, sir.
जी बेटा, what is the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes?
सॉरी सर, मुझे नहीं पता.
बेटा अभी हम पिछले 3 मिनट से यही डिस्कस कर रहे थे, थोड़ा सा फोकस रहें. थैंक यू. So rate of gene duplications in eukaryotes, first of all we will study about that. The duplication of any gene almost 100 million years back in Homo sapien musculus and Drosophila happened. In human, almost there are total 23,000 genes, or sometime nowadays it is like 20 or 21,000. Almost here we have 20,000 genes in prokaryotes. No, sorry, eukaryotes. And 50% genes is considered as the duplicated genes. So the biggest family in human and other mammal are considered as olfactory receptor gene family that has almost 1000 members of genes in eukaryotes. So everyone will study about what is olfactory receptor gene family, and we will discuss this in our next lectures. Drosophila, it has total genes almost 13,000, and 41% of the genes from Drosophila is considered as the duplicated genes. So what is the duplicated genes? Duplicated genes, like when we have segmental duplication, some genes also duplicated from maybe chromosome number 1 to chromosome number 9, or also in the same chromosome, like in the first leg of the chromosome there was a gene A. After segmental duplication, that gene A moves to the other side of the chromosome also. So this also happened with the help of segmental duplication, that gene duplication. Biggest gene family in Drosophila is trypsin family, having almost 111 members of that protein gene. Sorry. Mechanism of gene duplication, origin of new genes. No, we have four terminologies in that. Retrotransposition, last time we discussed about transposition, retrotransposition and translocation, transposons, I remember that. So retrotransposition describes the integration of reverse transcribed mature RNAs at random sites in the genome, not at the specific sites, it is randomly. So what will happen? We will study about that. The resultant duplicated genes lack introns and have poly A tails. You guys know very well about what is introns, exons, and poly A tails. And after that we have unequal crossing over. You guys remember what is crossing over? The the crossing of two chromosomes. Suppose the last portion of chromosome number A just crossed over with chromosome number B, and this is also unequal crossing over, also just you can say duplicate the gene. Suppose there was a gene on the lower leg of chromosome number 1, and when it crossed over with the chromosome number 2, sometimes they just duplicate that chromosome already has that gene, but after crossing over, the duplicated parts also came with the same gene. So in actual, that chromosome that just crossed over with the previous chromosome have both genes, two genes at the same position, or you can say on the same leg we have two genes. So that is unequal crossing over. Tandem duplication of a genomic segment is one of the possible outcomes of unequal chromosome crossing over, which results from homologous recombination between paralogous sequences. Last time I remember Hafiz Hanan told us about what is paralogous sequences and homologous sequences. These recombination events can also give rise to the deletion or inversion of intervening sequences. Replication error can also produce tandem duplications, and you guys know well about exon shuffling because we just studied this concept many times in our class, how exons shuffle and how introns just remove down, and exon 1 2 3, or maybe exon 2 3 1, exon 1 3 2, exon 1 3 4. So this is the exon shuffling, and the shuffling of exon also just duplicates the genes. So in this figure, the mechanism of gene duplication just tried to explain that in the first block we have retrotransposition, like there is a gene that has you can say first Jonathan Javed, can you see the cursor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Everyone, please. First of all, we have progenitor copy, first copy. Then we have ALU gene, exon 1, exon 2. There is here we have application termination site, and now we have ALU. So after that, we have three. First one is segmental duplication, unequal crossover, segmental duplication with non-homologous sequences, and retrotransposition. You can see that after messenger RNA, after transcription, there is a messenger RNA, and you know messenger RNA have poly A tail, and then you have a reverse transcription and integration with that poly A tail, and you can have a new gene. And if we will have a look to the segmental duplication, unequal crossing over, as you guys remember the concept of crossing over, and then you have to recall the concept of unequal crossing over. So in this box we have a paralog recombination, that this gene like this one have pink, green, blue, and again pink, or you can say red. First that just invert it, like the A side, if suppose this side is A1 and this side is B1, then it inverts, and now we have B side, this side, B side on this way, and A side is on this way. And after that we will have this one again, like pink with pink, green with green, blue with blue. This red one is in the inverted shape, or maybe has duplication here, maybe two both came, and then green one, blue one, and pink one. Similarly we have here, like when there is a replication error, these two just moves up, and now we have pink, green, blue, again green, blue, and pink. Here we just missed some of the section from here, and now we have two genes here, like green and green, blue and blue, but we have also have two pink. So same is the concept with the gene duplication, that just duplicates the gene. And how it happened: origin of chimeric genes through retrotransposition and exon shuffling. So once again we are going to just recall the concept of exon shuffling. When we just remove the introns, just removes down or moves down, then we have chromosomes, suppose chromosome number 1, 2, and 3. Sometimes you know chromosome reshuffle, or RNA splicing is also known as RNA splicing concept. Exon reshuffles, and exon 1 3 2, or maybe exon 2 3 1, or maybe exon 2 1 3. So it is, there are so many combinations you can have by this concept of exon shuffling and RNA splicing. So African Drosophila species, like here we have exon fusion with yellow emperor and alcohol dehydrogenase. Same with African Drosophila species that almost diverge from that almost diverged 2 million years back into two, that is Drosophila jacoba and Drosophila tesseri, and its chimeric gene is Jingwi in both sides. So it also has the same, you can say, gene, but after duplication, it both have the gene almost 2 million years back. Origin of chimeric genes through retrotransposition and exon shuffling. In this one, we have ancestral yellow emperor, and here has ATG. You know that about tag and tag gene duplication happened here. Duplication one, duplication copy one, in which you can say the same we have here, same of this one, then have duplication copy two with this same chromosome, same two genes of yellow emperor. And after that retrotransposition, this portion is same as we have here or here and here, and this portion also same, but we added new one by duplication here, and in resultantly this portion added in Jingwei that we already studied in the upper slide, that Jingwei added here. This one portion just came here after retrotransposition of this portion, complete this portion with this portion, and now this portion just came here representing with the arrow. And in short, we have ATG, this portion same, this portion just jumps here, and now again this purple portion came here. So this just explained it also in the arrows down here. So try to understand these figures, because this will make a sketch in your brain what happened in evolution, how genes insert or how genes delete or how duplications happen after. So that's the in actual concept. Like if someone just told you that almost 135 million years back we diverged from monkeys, or maybe old new world monkey or old world monkey or primates, or maybe macaque or orangutan. So sometimes people just confused it like that our father and monkey's father is the same one in evolution. So you have to understand the basic concept that we are just analyzing the sequences we have or the sequences we found from the fossils, and then we found that 90%, 95% similarity and the gene duplication segments. On this basis, we just explain it like this way, that the ancestor somehow same characteristics or same ancestor thousand and thousand and thousand years back. After that, we have this fate of duplication genes, and in this duplicate elimination, we have this fixation. Like we have blue as a gene, and there are three types of functioning happen after gene duplication. Like first have degradation, that that's after duplication the gene just totally stop its function. When there is a duplication of gene and gene is in the new place, then that gene has to perform a function, specific function with the help of protein. So three different possibilities that what will happen after gene duplication. Sometimes that gene just totally stop their work, or maybe like a silent gene, sequence is present there but it is not functioning something or it is not doing something. This is known as degradation. Then we have neo-functionalization, in which it just change the function, and in sub-functionalization it just perform 50% of the function or 60% of the function, some portion of the same function of the gene. Pseudogenization, in pseudogenization usually occurs in first few million years after duplication if the duplicated gene is not under any selection. And you know about the natural selection theory, in which survival of the fittest concept was applied. Gene duplication generates functional redundancy, as it is often not advantageous to have two identical genes. In other words, mutations disrupting the. Anyone want to say something? Please
Yes,
mute your mic. Who is this? Hello? Who's there? Jonathan Javed.
Jonathan.
ये कौन है जोनाथन?
सर ये सैमसंग में यही आपसे बात कर रहा था कि ये अननोन पर्सन है, इसको क्लास से रिमूव कर दें।
यार ये क्यों आप लोग इस तरह की हरकतें करते हो, मेरी समझ से बाहर है। अच्छे भले आप
सर ये
लोग रीजनेबल स्टूडेंट्स हो यार सारे। जोनाथन जावेद।
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था, सर वो जो लाइन थी उसमें जब जीन वो डिग्रेशन हो जाती है तो सर वो जो आगे जीन जाता है, अगर वो जीन अगर वो आप कह रहे थे कि फंक्शन नहीं होता कि यहाँ उसका फंक्शन रुक जाता है उस टाइम के लिए, तो सर ये पॉसिबल होता है कि वो उस फेवरेबल कंडीशन में जब उसको मिले तो वो जीन अपना फंक्शन परफॉर्म कर सके?
मेरा नहीं ख्याल वो परफॉर्म करेगा जो इतने सालों से साइलेंट है पहले ही। वो इसी कंडीशन में चला गया ना, तो उसकी
जी
आपको
सर।
पता है जीन डुप्लीकेट हुआ, जीन ए की 2 कॉपियां पड़ी हैं। अगर वो ना भी फंक्शन करे तो जो उसकी पहली वाली कॉपी पड़ी है वो काम करेगी। जैसे आपके पास फोटो कॉपीज पड़ी हैं, एक आप अलमारी में सेव
जी
करके रखी हुई है, एक आप डेली लाइफ में यूज करी जा रहे हो, शनाख्ती कार्ड की सपोज कर लें, तो बेशक
जी
आपकी अलमारी वाली ना भी काम करे, सारी जिंदगी आपने अलमारी वाली निकाली नहीं, वो साइलेंट पड़ी है, जो आपके पास है वो तो काम कर रही है ना, जो प्रॉपर काम आपको चाहिए।
जी सर।
ये कौन था सैमसंग वाला
सर
बंदा?
एक और जी सर एक और क्वेश्चन था, वो
जी जी।
उससे पीछे वाली स्लाइड्स थी, वहाँ पे थे टेंडेंट डुप्लीकेशन का। सर आपने बताया कि एक जो पिंक है और वो जो पिंक आपस में वो क्रॉस हुए
जी जी।
तो जो न्यू जीन बना, तो सर वो जो सा एक वो जो उन दोनों को मिला के पिंक बॉक्स बना था,
नहीं नहीं, वो
ऐसा यही वाला?
नहीं, पता क्या है उसमें, उसमें ऐसा नहीं है। उसमें ये है, जैसे अगर आप इसकी बात कर रहे हैं जिसमें मेरा कर्सर है,
जी 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 सर, जी सर।
ये इन्वर्ट हो गया ना। जो ए साइड थी, जो आप घुमा लो, एक बॉक्स है आपके पास, बॉक्स की एक साइड ब्लू एक रेड है। जब ब्लू साइड लेफ्ट साइड पे है और रेड साइड राइट साइड पे है, जब आप उस बॉक्स को 180 के एंगल पे घुमा लोगे तो क्या होगा, रेड साइड दूसरी तरफ आ जाएगी, ब्लू साइड दूसरी तरफ चले जाएगी। सो इन दिस इज आल्सो वन पॉसिबिलिटी।
ओके सर।
कई मतलब इस तरह होता है कि जैसे एक क्रोमोसोम मौजूद है, पहले ही मौजूद है, क्रॉसिंग ओवर से उसी की दूसरी कॉपी दूसरे क्रोमोसोम से आके वहां पे लग गई, ऐसा भी होता है। ठीक है।
सर ये हम कह सकते हैं कि इसके जो सा फंक्शन होगा वो लिटर बिट या मॉडिफाई हो जाएगा?
वो उसने कंडीशन आपको बताई ना, देखिए हमने यहाँ पे देखी, अगर फंक्शन टोटली रुक गया तो डिग्रेडेशन, अगर फंक्शन चेंज
जी
हो गया, देखिए ना, न्यू फंक्शनलाइजेशन आ गई, सम फंक्शनलाइजेशन आ गई, तो इसमें ये पॉसिबिलिटीज होती हैं कि टोटल फंक्शन रुक जाए, आधा फंक्शन हो, फंक्शन चेंज हो जाए, फंक्शन न्यू आ जाए, तो ये सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज इसमें मौजूद है।
थैंक यू सर।
ये कौन था जोनाथन जावेद सैमसंग के नाम से?
सर मैं यही आपसे कहने लगा था सबसे पहले, और मैं अभी अटेंडेंस ले रहा था ना जब, तो तब ये मैंने नोट किया था।
यार ये समझाया करो, ये क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, ये समझते हैं कि ये बड़ी फख्र की बात है ऑनलाइन क्लास में अपनी औकात दिखाना। लोग समझते हैं बड़ी फख्र की बात है, ये हमने टीचर को तंग किया है या हम बड़े बेहुदा हो गए हैं तो हम टार्जन बन गए हैं। इनको तमीज दो यार इनको जोनाथन। लाजमी बात है आपकी क्लास में से नहीं होगा, आपकी क्लास बहुत अच्छी क्लास रही है, और ऑलमोस्ट इट्स आई हैव 1 year with your class, last semester and this semester in online classes and in daily classes. Some of students, you know, every class has some students that did like these types of acts, but from your class that student just moved towards the research. So now we have the good ones in this coursework. So I am not expecting this from your class. So everyone should be
जी सर।
very careful. अगर आपको किसी पे कोई भी डाउट हो ऑनलाइन क्लास में, आप उसी वक्त हाथ रेज करें और सर मुझे बता दें कि सर इसको लॉक कर दें क्लास को,
जी
या क्लास में कोई बच्चा है जिसको हम नहीं जानते। इसीलिए मैं तमाम स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट की है कि वो अपने नेम्स के साथ रोल नंबर लिखें, क्योंकि कुछ शरारती स्टूडेंट जो हैं वो आपका नेम और रोल नंबर भी लिख सकते हैं। ऐसी कोई बड़ी
जी
बात
सर।
नहीं है, कोई एक बच्चा और बना लेगा जोनाथन जावेद 8002 के साथ, तो जैसे ही वो आएगा आप उसी वक्त रिपोर्ट करें कि सर मेरे नाम से किसी ने बनाया हुआ है।
सर मैं जब मैं अटेंडेंस ली तो मैंने हैंड रेज किया था, तो आपने वो नोटिस नहीं किया था, फिर इस
सॉरी यार,
वजह से
पता
जब
नहीं
आपने
चला
पूछा ना
होगा।
कि कुछ बच्चा कुछ कहना चाहता, तो मैं इसलिए तब अपना माइक ऑन किया था।
अच्छा सॉरी यार, मुझे तब अंदाजा नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि वो मैं
कोई
जरा।
नहीं।
चलें, थैंक यू सो मच, वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू आवर लेक्चर एंड प्लीज ट्राई एवरीवन टू बी नोबल, टू बी नाइस, टू बी ए गुड गाय। वी आर वेरी गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड वी शुड हैव टू बी गुड। अगर एजुकेशन और ये चीज़ें आपको बेहतरी की तरफ नहीं लेकर जा रही, अगर आपके माइंड में अभी भी बिलो द लाइन जाकर शरारत करके किसी को डिस्टर्ब करके ये समझ रहे हैं कि हम टार्जन बन रहे हैं, तो ये कोई अच्छी बात नहीं है। अपने वो बार्स को और अपने आप कह लें कि थ्रेशोल्ड को इम्प्रूव करें, रोजाना अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करें और अच्छा इंसान बनने की कोशिश करें। जोनाथन जावेद, व्हाट अबाउट द असाइनमेंट?
जी सर,
असाइनमेंट
लास्ट क्वेश्चन
की बेटा लास्ट क्या था, उसकी डेडलाइन क्या थी असाइनमेंट की?
12 PM थी आई थिंक।
सॉरी,
12 PM।
okay, just please collect the assignment from all the students and then let me know. Ji Fatima, Nagin Fatima.
श्योर सर।
नगीन फातिमा, आप कुछ कहना चाहती हैं बेटा?
सर अभी 3-4 आई है तो वो 12 बजे तक टाइम नहीं है।
जी बेटा, जब तक टाइम बताया हुआ है तभी तक होगा, तो आप उस वक्त आप और सीआर जो है
जी
वो
जी सर,
असाइनमेंट को कलेक्ट कर लीजिएगा। देखें, एक बच्चे की शरारत की वजह से
ठीक है
वो
सर।
सारा फ्लो खराब हो गया लेक्चर का। 5 मिनट भी हमारे जो है वो ज़ाया हो गए हैं। वो अलग बात है, जोनाथन ने क्वेश्चन पूछे तो वो तो चलें जवाब देने ही होते हैं, उसके अलावा जो 2-3 मिनट ज़ाया कर दिए, प्लीज़ इस तरह मत करें, आप सब बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं। So we were discussing about pseudogenes. You can see the slides. Please respond. Thank you. Usually, we were discussing about pseudogenes. First, we were discussing about gene. We discussed about segmental duplication. Then were discussing about gene duplication. How gene duplication happen? What happen if gene duplicates? Sometimes it degraded its function. Sometimes it's altered its function. Sometimes it's just carry out the same function. Then we have the concept of pseudogenization. Usually occurs in first few million years back after the duplication event occur, and if a duplicated gene is not under the natural selection theory. Gene duplication generates functional redundancy, as it is often not advantageous to have two identical genes. तो दो अगर एक किस्म के जीन्स हों तो उनका होने का कोई मकसद नहीं है। जैसे कि अमूमन तमाम डिपार्टमेंट्स में, या अगर आप देखें कि अगर कोई फाइनेंस का बंदा है या किसी भी कंपनी को आप देख लें, कंपनी का कोई एक डिपार्टमेंट है, तो उसमें एक शख्स होगा जो कि एक स्पेसिफिक आप कह लें कि एक स्पेशलिटी रखता होगा। जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज का भी एक ही बंदा होगा, फाइनेंस का एक होगा, अकाउंटिंग का एक होगा, तो एक ही फंक्शन परफॉर्म करने वाले दो बंदे नहीं रखे जाएंगे। तो सेम कंसेप्ट इज हियर कि दो जीन्स आपने क्यों रख रहे हैं जो सेम फंक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, तो ये इसका कोई फायदा नहीं है। इन अदर वर्ड्स, म्यूटेशन डिसरप्शन दैट स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ वन ऑफ द two genes are deleterious and are not removed by selection. Gradually, the mutation containing gene becomes a pseudogene, which is either expressed or functionless. There are if almost 1,000 genes, human has 1,000 genes of all factory receptor genes, and there are only 60% genes that 40% genes that function well, and 60% genes are the pseudogenes. Similarly, in mouse, olfactory genes has almost 1,000 genes, our family has almost 1,000 genes, and only 20% are pseudogenes and 80% are functionally well. Because after duplication, there was many pseudogenes that just silent their self and maybe has some mutations and just stop their function. So after that, we have the concept of sub-functionalization. In some functionalization, the presence of an external amount of gene product is advantageous. Two genes with identical function are unlikely to be stably maintained in the genome. Subfunctionalization occurs when each daughter gene adopts part of the function of their parent gene. So in this figure, we can see that we have two genes, A1 and A2. Then we have a black box that is expressed in tissue T1 and T2. Then we have gene duplication. Then there is two more genes, or you can say two more chromosomes. Same with purple, green, black. Same purple, green, black. However, in complementary degenerate mutations, here we have purple with white. Here we have white with green. So expressed in T1, tissue 1, and expressed in tissue 2. So 50% of the data just moves to this portion, and 50% to the other portion. Sorry. Other portion. Like we have A2 or here new one, and A1 is here as a new one. So this gene, white one, just came on both sides but on different positions and may function differently. That is known as some functionalization. Half of the function here we have here as A2 that is expressing in T1, and then we have half here in as A1 that is expressing in T2. So we are running off time for this lecture. Anyone has any question? We are going to summarize our lecture in this slide, and we will continue the lecture in next class from here. Anyone has any question? Please raise your hands. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining. And in next lecture, we will start from here. Thank you.